World Geography. Part 2. Let's learn about stars, sun and planets. The sun is at the center of our solar system and also the largest objects of our solar system. However, it is an average star. It is roughly 109 times the size of Earth. The sun has a diameter of 1,392,000 kilometers. It comprises 99.8% of the mass of the solar system. It isn't the hottest, it isn't the coolest, and it isn't the oldest. Nor is it brightest, biggest. The surface temperature of sun is 60,000 degrees Celsius. It is largely made up of hydrogen gas, with a minor quantity of helium thrown in for good measure. The sun accounts for 99.85% of all the matter of the solar system. The sun is the solar system's closest star. It belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. It's thought to be more than 4 billion years old. The sun is a yellow dwarf, a medium-sized star. As it rotates around the galaxy, the sun spins gently on its axis. It is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Nuclear fusion in the core of the sun is source of all its energy. The glowing surface of the sun is called photosphere. About it is red-colored chromosphere and beyond it is corona, visible during eclipses. The surface of the sun changes continuously. Bright regions are called plasmas and dark spots are called sunspots, which frequently form and disappear. The Earth would be a dead sphere of rock and ice if it were not for the sun. The sun warms our globe, influences our weather, and provides energy to plants, which provides food and energy for life on Earth. The sun's energy reaches the Earth and other planets in all directions. The planet absorbs less energy as it gets further away from the sun. Sun statistics. Distance from the Earth 150 million kilometers. Diameter 1,391,980 kilometers. Core temperature 15 million degrees Celsius. Rotation time 25 days. Age 5 billion years. Composition H2 to 71%, helium 26.5% and other 2.5%. Mass 1.99 XLO33 kg. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is caused when the moon revolving around the Earth comes in between the Earth and the sun, thus making a part or whole of the sun invisible from a particular patrol. The Earth. Lunar eclipse. During the revolution of Earth, when comes between moon and the sun, the shadow of the Earth hides moon either fully or partially. This is called lunar eclipse. The planets. Planets are actually spinning around the sun. They have their own elliptical path of movement, known as the orbits. Movement around its own axis is called rotation and around the sun is revolution. Planets, unlike stars, have no light or heat of their own. The word planet comes from the Greek word plantai, which means wanderers. Planets keep changing their positions with respect to the stars. Mercury, it is nearest to the sun. It is the smallest planet of the solar system, nearly of the same size and mass as the moon. It takes 88 days for one orbit around the sun and 59 days for one spin on its axis. It has no satellite. There is no atmosphere on Mercury. The surface of Mercury is rocky and mountainous. One side of the surface facing the sun receives maximum heat and light. The surface of this planet does not receive sunlight or heat on its other side. One part of Mercury, therefore, is very hot while the other part is very cold. Venus. It has no moon or satellite of its own. It rotates on its axis is somewhat unusual, that is, From east to west, the mass of Venus is nearly 4/5 times that of the Earth. It takes 255 days for one orbit around the Sun and 243 days for one spin on its axis. Therefore it is often called a morning or an evening star. It has an atmosphere that consists of mainly carbon dioxide. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. The Earth, our Earth rotates from west to east. Our Earth is more or less like a G-sphere, which is slightly flattened in the north and south. Slightly flattened or tapered at the poles, the Earth is best to be described as geoids, which mean Earth-like shape. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is called blue planet due to presence of water and land mass as the Earth appears blue-green in color from the space. The Earth is the only planet where some special environment conditions are responsible for the existence and continuation of life because it has the right temperature range, the presence of water, soil, minerals, suitable atmosphere and a blanket of ozone. Mass. It is almost half the size of the Earth. It takes 687 days for one orbit around the Sun and 1 day for one spin on its axis. It appears slightly reddish and, therefore, it is also called the red planet. Mars has two small natural satellites named Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system. It takes 11 years and 11 months for one orbit around the Sun and 9 hours, 56 minutes for one spin on its axis. It has 16 satellites. It also has faint rings around it. Its most distinguishing feature is the Great Red Spot. Because of its large mass, it exerts a strong gravitational pull on other objects which pass by it. It consists of hydrogen and helium in gaseous form. Its cloud-like outer regions consist of methane in gaseous form while ammonia is present in crystalline form. Saturn. Beyond Jupiter is Saturn, which appears yellowish in color. What make it unique in the solar system are its 3 beautiful rings. It takes 29 years, 5 months for one orbit around the Sun and 10 hours, 40 minutes for one spin on its axis. It has 18 satellites. Saturn is the least dense among all the planets. Its density is less than that of water. It is similar in size, mass and composition to Jupiter. It is, however, cooler than the Jupiter. Uranus. It was the first planet to be discovered with the help of a telescope by William Herschel in 1781. Hydrogen and methane have been detected in the atmosphere of Uranus. It rotates from east to west. The most remarkable feature of Uranus is that it has highly tilted rotational axis. As a result, in its orbital motion it appears to roll on its side. It takes 84 years for one orbit around the Sun and 17 hours, 14 minutes for one spin on its axis. It has 17 satellites. Neptune. It takes 164 years for one orbit around the Sun and 16 hours 7 minutes for one spin on its axis. It has 8 satellites. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Get Kudu Study.